Hey guys, Jenny here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in the kitchen with my son Jackson and we're making one of his favorite desserts. So we all know kids love sweet stuff.
Chocolate!
Yeah. So when I make a dessert in my home, I always try to incorporate like some type of fruit for the nutrients and some toppings for the antioxidants. So we have hemp hearts here. What are these? Coconut chips.
Coconut chips.
Yep, we have the white coconut chips and we also have chocolate coconut chips. And what are you stirring there, Jax?
Chocolate.
And is chocolate your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my favorite is jelly beans too.
Jelly beans too. Today our fruit is
Strawberry.
yeah, and
Banana.
yeah, and
Grape.
perfect.
My favorite fruit is grape.
Grapes? Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to simply, I've melted the chocolate already. I used a microwave just for the sake of quickness, but you can definitely do the double boiler. Put a little bit of coconut, like 1 tablespoon of coconut. I'm gonna put all the recipe below for you. So mix that so it's nice and smooth. And down we have, and we're just gonna dip our fruit and then dip in the topping, put it in the fridge, and then it's ready to eat.
And some chocolate.
Hey, you're not supposed to be doing that, bud. Oh my goodness. What does it taste like? Okay, no. We don't do that. We don't do that, Jax. Because other people, it's too. I guess it's not gonna be really other people, it's just gonna be us eating it, so. But, okay, no, we don't do that. Jackson, no. Okay, no. So we got it there. Last one. And now this is our lovely fruit dipped chocolate and toppings.
See my program.
This is your program? Was that fun? Oh my gosh, you are a chocolatey mess. Don't let your kids wear white before they're doing this. Bad mommy, I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, we're all done. So now these go in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour, and then we can have them for dessert later, or maybe tomorrow, since we've had a lot of chocolate now.
We got Skewer program tomorrow.
See your program tomorrow. Okay, give me your chocolatey kiss. Do I get a chocolatey kiss from you? Mwah. Thanks for joining, and if you want to subscribe, please press the subscribe button to join us on more kitchen kid adventures.
Yeah. To the kitchen, see our program.